Freedom Foods Group is a food and beverage company which works across three major categories, that being non-dairy beverages, dairy beverages and nutritionals, and cereals and snacking. Freedom Foods' great success now lies with our ability of our complete ownership of our supply chain. Not only have we invested heavily in our manufacturing sites to make them as technologically advanced as they are and world-class facilities, but we've also gone back a few steps where we've gone back and we have our own Freedom Farmers. So we're working with great partnerships in local areas around the Freedom Farmers to shore up our supply, working through to our milling capabilities that we've brought on board now so we can control that supply from paddock to plate effectively. We've invested heavily in our manufacturing capabilities and our technology within our manufacturing sites. Now it's time to ensure our information keeps up with that. So effectively our systems, our real-time data, our knowledge sharing and our processes really need to ensure that we keep up with our investment. With the move to Channel Islands, I was very sceptical with how our customer service team may take the significant change and the change management process. It has turned out to be a really great process for this team. Being an early adopter of Channel Islands and being a part of that decision-making process just really felt good, having a seat at the table and being heard. Three key functions for the business are manufacturing, invoicing and delivering. Moving to the cloud ensures that any risk associated with these three is minimised, whilst also providing fundamental benefit of ensuring that we're at the forefront of technology as QAD advances with anything that they may bring out in the future. It's going to fundamentally change our business. Advice I would give customers who are looking to take a leap of faith or make this move, I would say do it. Absolutely, don't think about it any further, do it. Scope out as much as you possibly can, but don't hold back with what you want to achieve. We're Freedom Foods Group, and with QAD, we're building the effective enterprise.